Hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well. Something a bit different today. Got the billy goat and this case machine. And got this about 12 years ago, I suppose. And he used to use it with the customers, and then he got hold of it. And when we went to pick it up, the petrol tank was split. So we towed it home behind the van, about a mile. It's got a trolley what you stand on. So we had a little bit of a laugh and towed it home. And put another petrol tank on it. And he lent it to a mate, or something happened. I'm not sure what happened there. But when they got there, it didn't drive, so they put it in a barn and left it. And all of a sudden, this weekend, Easter weekend, it come out, and it's here. So I'm gonna have a look around and see what we can find problem with the drive. I've already noticed the chain's hanging off, and the belt to the gearbox is hanging off. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. But I'll give you a quick little look round it, because it's something different, not an everyday thing, I suppose. It's very similar to the pooper scoopers I do. So yeah, nice bit of kitto. Right, I'm going to try to do this sort of fairly steady. Obviously, this is adjustable. This plate here, that's here. It allows all the rubbish to go in. And then here, there's your hose would go on here. It's got all the hose, got extra long hoses, bags and all that. Yeah, so fold that down, and then you can use your hose. And the bag fits on there. Like I say, it's got all this, but it's just not here. I didn't need it here. Gearbox. It's a 5-speed gearbox with reverse. And here is the belt from the engine. And then come around here. You might be able to see the chain hanging down there actually. There's the axle, obviously. Controls are, that's your brake. That's your gearbox. Don't quite understand why they've done that like that. I don't think you can see it. Above the tortoise. I won't go into that, what it looks like. This is your adjustment for this. All what's lubricating up, but it's your adjustment here is for your flap on the front there. Obviously your pull start. It's got a, what's it got on it? It's got a Honda GX240 8 horsepower engine. Hopefully you can see that. I can't see the viewfinder, the sun's on it. Hopefully it's all stayed in focus. Obviously the trolley weighs as much as the machine, I think. But we just wheeled it down here and we put it on the stand. Obviously it's not going to drive now because we can see the chains hanging off the bottom. And I looked in there and I see the belts hanging off the pulleys. But when we moved it, they loaded it on with a digger onto the trailer. When we unloaded it here, I had it in gear and it was locking the wheels. It's got it's a solid axle. I think it's a solid axle. It's got a diff in the axle as well. I'll get up here and we'll have a look at that later. Yeah, so obviously that chain was connected. It was wrapped round something, and it's obviously come off wheeling it down here. And we just left it here. Chris chucked a little bit of petrol in the tank. We haven't tried it yet, and he's left it here with me. So I might do a cold start, see if it starts. I noticed all this switch, on-off switch is disconnected, but we've still got the one on the engine. Yeah, so let's fire it up, sorry, see if it fires up. I'm going to put it for long, eh? I have petrol in there to start it, but I'll give it a go, shall we? So it's been about, it's got to be 10 years, I don't know when Phil last started it. If you feel if you're watching, comment on it. Alright, have a comment. Petrol on, choke on. Worth a go, isn't it? That starts alright, doesn't it? But the carb is pulling out petrol. I reckon the float must be stuck. So, wow. Yeah. Philip, put a comment on the bottom, mate. I know you watch the videos. Let us know when you last run that up. But I know it's been over there. It's got to be 10 years. It's got to be over there 10 years in the barn. Like I say, Chris just chucked a little bit of petrol in there before we went, and we didn't even bother trying it. Oh, bloody hell, that's marvellous. As you can see the grass behind us, chucking out a hell of a lot of air, we're sucking it in, so yeah, good tool. We'll have another look at some more bits on it in a second. Right, there's loads of bolts missing out the casings. I know where this come from originally. That's the sort of place where they would just, one bolt will hold everything on, as you can see. But there's a lot of bolts missing on it, what needs sorting out. Put that in there so I don't lose it. As you can see, this belt's off the drive. So we towed it. I'm not going to go into too much of the story, but we towed it at quite a high speed. Yeah, and I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. I don't know if you can see the chain behind. That's just like come apart. At least there's a bit missing there. I don't know. So it might have been jammed up. That's why it was locking on the diff. When we put it in gear, it might have been jammed around the pulleys. I can't say. What are you chewing, Marlo? Yeah, it's a little bit different, isn't it? Obviously, they've ripped the valve out of this. Hold this still a bit. They've ripped the valve out of this back tyre, so that needs sorting. Drive needs sorting. I'm going to fire it up just to see if that gearbox is working. Mind you, I have to put that chain around, isn't it? See if that belt drives or what it does. Try and move the tripod a little bit more. Can you still see? I think so, yeah. I'll turn the petrol off anyway because that's leaking on it. Try it with no choke. Try it with no choke. Yeah, I can see it going in gear and in reverse. I think the gearbox is probably alright. I'll check into the shaft. And then, yeah. It's just a matter of fixing the chain, I reckon, to get some drive in it. But, yeah, it's just, I'll just show you quickly another machine we're going to be working on for the next couple of weeks, I suppose. Just doing little bits to it. Right, hope you enjoyed that. If you like that small engine sort of stuff, put your thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, all the usual stuff. And I shall see you for next time. Bye for now.